everybody, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. So I have got a ponytail hack for you guys today. I am super excited to share it with you. I actually shared this in a compilation video years ago, but I don't think many of you saw it, so I kind of wanted to make it its own video. I'm going to show you how to get a more voluminous and longer ponytail without extensions. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe down there below. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'd love to have you around. So let's jump into this video. First things first, we're going to gather two sections from the front and clip them under our chin. These aren't terribly thick sections, but watch how I use them later to see just how much you'll need. And then also I have really textured curls in right now, so that's going to help hide all these ponytails we're adding. So then we're going to take the back section and split it in half. I'm just going to clip the top section out of the way, and then we're going to put the bottom section into a ponytail. You don't want this to sit too low, kind of up towards the part, and then you're going to tie it off with a clear elastic, and then we're just going to tease that section of hair so that it's nice and full. If your hair is pretty clean, go ahead and add some texture spray or hairspray just to give it an extra burst of volume, and then we're going to go ahead and drop that top section of hair, tease the roots so that it's nice and full, and then we're going to put it in a ponytail using a clear elastic. Now pay attention right here, you're going to pinch a small section on each side and cinch the ponytail up. You're going to notice that the ponytail will lift a little bit and you'll get this really nice perky shape. Then we're going to tease that section and go ahead and use as much hairspray or texture spray as you need. And then we're just going to release the front two sections that we left out earlier and finish this ponytail. So you're going to smooth one of the sections back, and while keeping the section wide, give it a slight twist as you drape it over that top elastic. And then wrap it around and underneath, and we're just going to use a bobby pin or two to secure it. See how by keeping the section wide, it's kind of hiding the part line and the ponytail underneath, so that's really important. Let's see if I can get you a better angle on this next one. So you're going to smooth the section back and give it a slight twist, and then you're going to drape it over the top elastic, and underneath the elastic is where you're going to pin it. Now you're just going to break up any curls with your fingers and lift the ponytails again by lifting the top few strands in the ponytails like we talked about earlier. On the left, this is just your regular ponytail, and on the right, we've got a longer and more voluminous ponytail without extensions. And there you have it, a super cute and long voluminous ponytail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the comments below, I want to know if you have seen or tried this hack before, and if you would like me to round up kind of my favorite ponytail hairstyles. So that's what I got. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everybody.